Hey folks, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to do airplane mode glitch in Monopoly Go. So it is very simple and easy thing to do. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply connect yourself with a server which is not relating to your country. So in order to connect to the server, what you need to do is you need to download and install a VPN in your device. It can be any of the VPN that you prefer. It can be paid, it can be free, it's completely up to you. After that, you just have to connect with the server. Now once you are successfully connected with the server, you need to launch your Monopoly Go application, and before enabling the airplane mode in your device, you just have to do some quick rolls. After that, you just have to swipe down the notification bar in the top, and here you need to turn on the airplane mode. After turning it on, you just have to tap on the go button and you just have to keep rolling until you get the internet error connection. If you get that error, then what you can do is you can simply reset your game. In order to reset it, you just have to go to the settings of your device, and from there you just have to clear cache of your Monopoly Go application. After that, you just have to relaunch it, and you will notice that you are on the same place as you have left. So you just have to again tap on go button, and as you can see that I'm on airplane mode on, and the airplane mode glitch is working fine for me. If this video was helpful to you, then don't forget to like, comments and subscribe to the channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.